Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to be making vitamin C face spray. The face spray that you can spray on your face that will help to energize your face. That's what we are going to be making in today's video. And to start with, you need one orange. Go ahead and get one orange. Then you wash the orange. You will need the peel of the orange. That's the orange skin. That's what you need for this DIY. So to get the orange peel, take a grater and start grating up the orange peel. Okay guys, orange peel is very beneficial to the skin. I don't know if you guys know about it. Orange peel, orange juice, both of them are very good to the skin. Yes, orange peel are rich in vitamin C, which can help to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots or blemishes. Do you even know that rubbing orange peel or orange juice on directly on your skin can help to brighten your skin? It can help to, give you lighter shade of your skin color and fade away dark spots. Yes, rubbing orange peel on your skin or orange juice on your skin can actually help you to achieve that. Okay, so after grating the orange peel, the next thing you need to add is to get a lime. Go ahead and also grate the skin of the lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon. Okay, I'm combining both of them because they also do the same job, but lime is a kind of stronger version of orange, so it also contains vitamin C. So if you don't have lime to mix with it, you can choose to use lemon. They will still give you the same result. Okay guys, so you also go ahead and grate, like peel off the skin of the lime. So like I was saying, applying orange juice or orange peel directly on your skin can actually help to brighten your skin. If you have a scar or acne or dark spots on your skin, just try applying orange peel or orange juice on that place you have that dark spot. Do that every day. You will gradually see that dark spot will start fading away. Okay guys, so after grating it, you go ahead and add it into the pot. Once you add it into the pot, you go ahead and add water. Add like half cup of water. You don't need much. Okay, so after that you start boiling it. Boil on a low heat. You boil it for about 3 minutes. You don't need to overcook it. Okay, once it starts boiling, bring it down. This boiling process is necessary. This will help to kill any form of bacteria or germs. It will also help the DIY to last longer. Okay, so once that is done, you go ahead and sieve out the juice using a strainer. Strain out the juice. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you need to add here is rose water. Go ahead and get your rose water. If you don't have rose water, maybe you can go ahead and just use it this way, but adding rose water to it helps very well because rose water helps to soothe the skin. It also helps to fight blemishes and all that. So rose water is essential. So go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of it into it. Okay guys, so once that is done, you mix, and after mixing it, the next thing you have to do is to get a spray bottle. Yes, get a spray bottle. This is the one I will be using, this small one. So transfer it into the spray bottle. Once that is done, after transferring it into the spray bottle, you store it in the fridge. You can use this for 1 week guys. Yes, so after that, you go ahead and close it, and your vitamin C face spray is ready guys. So this is how you can actually use it. Before you apply this, after your shower or washing your face, go ahead and spray it all over your face. Spray it all over your face. After spraying it, don't wash it out, just let it sit on your face. It will dry up. That is it. This is how you can use this to energize your face. This is how you can use it to brighten your face. Guys, this treatment works. Okay, so at this point, if you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.